Some people enter your life like a lesson, and some arrive like an answer from Allah before you ever meet the person written for you. Allah begins preparing your heart for them. For years, we wonder who our hearts will finally belong to. We make silent du'as in the middle of the night, asking Allah for a love that feels like peace instead of pain. Because love, written by Allah, is never random. Before your eyes ever meet theirs, before your hands ever touch, their story has already been written beside yours. And when the moment begins to come closer, Allah starts showing you the signs, not through loud miracles, but through quiet feelings your soul can understand. If you are waiting for love tonight, listen carefully to the ways Allah guides the heart toward the person meant for it. The first sign Allah gives you is peace that makes no sense. Before the right person, love often feels exhausting. Too much confusion, too much chasing, too much fear of losing them. But when someone is truly meant for your journey, something changes. Your heart becomes quieter. You stop overthinking every silence, every reply, every fear, and deep inside your chest, Allah places a calmness that whispers, "You are safe here." The second sign is that Allah begins clearing your path. Sometimes before the right person arrives, everything falls apart first. People leave. Unexpected endings happen. Doors close without explanation. And you sit there wondering why Allah allowed your heart to break. But what feels like rejection is often protection. Allah gently, and sometimes painfully, removes the souls that would have destroyed your peace, so you can finally recognize the one who brings you closer to Him, because not everyone you love is written to stay. And the third sign, the most beautiful one of all, is that this connection brings you closer to Allah, not farther away from Him. A person sent by Allah will never make you sacrifice your deen just to keep them. Instead, their presence reminds you to pray, to heal, to become softer, better, closer to your Creator. You start loving Allah more because of them, not less. They do not replace Allah in your heart. They help guide your heart back to Him, and suddenly, love no longer feels like a distraction from your deen. It feels like part of the journey toward Jannah. So do not rush what Allah is still writing. Do not destroy your own peace, trying to force open a door that Allah closed to protect you, because what is meant for you will never require you to betray yourself just to keep it. The person written for your journey already exists, and at the exact moment Allah has chosen, your paths will meet exactly as they were destined to, because real love was never meant to destroy you, as Allah says in the Quran, and He placed between you affection and mercy. The love written by Allah brings Sakoon to the soul, not chaos to the heart. And when Allah finally sends them, your soul will recognize the peace. If you are trusting Allah with your heart tonight, leave a quiet prayer in the comments. Ya Allah, grant us pure love. Be patient, because what Allah writes for your heart will find you at the perfect time.